want to copy text from anywhere on your screen, even from images, videos, or applications that don't allow text selections. So hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to instantly extract text from your screen. So let's begin. So firstly, open any web browser like Google Chrome or any web browser. Now go to the website github.com. Now search on the GitHub for the software PowerToy. On the first list of the application, Microsoft PowerToy. Just go there, Microsoft PowerToy. On the right side, you'll see here release. Just click here. Now scroll it, and below on the asset, click on setup.exe to download the installer. So before using this application, make sure you are using Windows 64-bit version of Windows, because this application supports only 64-bit version. So firstly, make sure now download the installer and install it. After the installation is done, open the program, that is PowerToy. Now, as the application is loaded, you'll see here on the left side different tools. So this application comes preloaded with many useful features. So you can see all the features on the left side. You can explore it by yourself. And one of my favorite features about this PowerToy application is text extractor, which you will find below on the left side. That is called text extractor. So let's select it and turn it on to enable text extractor. And here it is given activation shortcut using Windows Shift and T. Now close this application after you have enabled all the features. Now let's say I want to copy the text from this image. Now, as it is given in the shortcut, that is Windows Shift and T to get the activation. So as soon as I pressed Windows Shift and T on your keyboard, you can see here plus icon on my screen. Using this plus icon, I can select the text and release the mouse once it is selected. Now let's try to paste in Notepad application. Paste it like this. So you can see here how easily or instantly I can extract text from the image by using the keyboard shortcut with the help of this application called as PowerToy and text extractor feature.